So how many gooey fish are there all together? Count them with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's the bunch of them. Now let's feed one to Salty. Hold up the gooey fish and drop it. Bon appetit! That's French for good eating.
Let's not forget Pluto. He helped too. Hold up the gooey fish and toss it. Now how many gooey fish do we have left? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Cause 6 minus 2 equals 4. Good counting, everybody.
Hi, boys.
How you doing, Daisy?
Hi, Minnie.
Well, hello there. What a cute little seal.
His name is Salty. Me and Donald are training him for the big circus show.
Yeah, he's gonna be a sensation.
Ooh, that sounds fun. We want to help teach Salty a trick, too.
Okie doke. How about this tricky trick? Maybe Salty can learn to play a tune on these horns.
Oh, good idea, Goofy. Okay, Salty. Play the 4 horns in order from the biggest horn to the smallest horn.
That's not very good, is it?
Oh, no! Salty is mixing up the horns. Oh, don't worry, Salty. We'll help you. Maybe we have a musketool that can help us mark the horns with different colors, so Salty doesn't mix them up.
Let's find out. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
Oh, toodles!
Which mouse-a-tooter can we use to mark the horns with different colors?
The colorful cards. I think you're right.
We got ears. Say cheers!
First, let's mark each horn with a different colored card so Salty can tell them apart. Red, yellow, blue, green. Red, yellow, blue, green. Now let's all sing the color pattern of the cards to help Salty play the tune. Are you ready?
Red, yellow, blue, green. Red, yellow, blue, green.
Ready, Salty?
Yep, he's ready.